When you start living the life of your dreams, there will always be obstacles, doubters, mistakes, and setbacks along the way. But with hard work, perseverance, and self-belief, there is no limit to what you can achieve. Famous thinker Roy T. Bennett said this in The Light in the Heart. Odds are there in life. Nevertheless, great people always succeed in living the life of their dreams. Great achievement is usually born of great sacrifice and is never the result of selfishness. Subhash Chandra Pandey personifies this aspect of life. He completed the glorious journey of his checkered career in NTPC as a technology man with an elan and enterprise, dedication and dignity. Undoubtedly, S.C. Pandey has a multi-dimensional personality, and in all the dimensions he has always excelled, be it as technology person or a senior officer or leader or a colleague in NTPC, or as a human being with special wisdom and humbleness, or as a family person, as a husband or a father. In all the different roles of man's life, S.C. Pandey never forgot a deep and profound sense of responsibility and above all, humanity. Now, he is ready to begin a new phase of life post-retirement.
A very happy birthday, Pandeyji. We all stayed together almost 10 projects of NTPC in this 35 years of journey. And because of you, I got lots of love and support and respect from all the family members of NTPC. I'm really proud of you. And once again, a very happy birthday, Pandeyji.
Namaste, Pandeyji. Many happy returns of the day. You are really a genius. You are the only person who can guide to many technicians, administrators and all. You are a good human being, and you are a thorough gentleman.
पापा विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। मेरे लिए जो सबसे इंस्पिरेशनल चीज़ है आपकी, वो है आपकी कर्मठता और आपका डिसिप्लिन, जिस तरह चीज़ें आप ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से रखते हो, both in your personal life and professional life. There are sweets around you. The child in you comes out, and it's really a very fun moment to be with you at that point in time. I hope you will get more time to do things that you love, things like gardening, things like listening to ghazals. So best of luck for your next innings.
Happy birthday, Papa. On this day, I think I would just like to say we all love you a lot for always being there for us. I think for me, the best compliment that has ever been given to me is the fact that I'm my father's daughter. You have been a source of inspiration and guidance for me always, and always there for me whenever I needed you. We all love you a lot. All the very best for the next innings of your life.
Very happy birthday, Papa. Well, we are what we are because of our parents. Papa has been the constant guiding force in our lives. He has taught me everything. The most important thing that he has taught us is to be a good person. He's always kept his family first, and never ever we felt like we missed out on anything. He was there every time when we needed him. I'm really proud of him and wish you a very happy birthday, Papa, again.
Happy birthday, Papa. I think it's you've always been very giving and caring, and it's just been a pleasure to be around during all the family gatherings. And from a professional perspective, I think you're just a big inspiration to all of us. Being an entrepreneur, seeing you work with that kind of enthusiastic, fervent zeal. Congratulations on a great journey with NTPC, and happy birthday.
S.C. Pandey is BE in Instrumentation Engineering. He joined NTPC in November 1978 as an executive trainee. After a long stint in different positions and accumulating about 35 years of comprehensive experience in management of large-size power projects in the areas of engineering, project construction and power plant operation and maintenance, he took charge as Director Projects in NTPC in October 2013. Earlier, he had a strong background in managing, operating and maintaining few of the largest stations of the country like Simhadri, Ramagundam, Vindhyachal 3 and having won the prestigious IPMA award in Project Excellence in Mega category. He also contributed in achieving the above prestigious awards at Dadri 2 and Talcher.
Namaskar sir, many happy returns of the day on this very special day when you are poised to begin the second innings of life. One would like to take a pause and look back and cherish the memories of some important events and association with the colleagues. I was also one amongst those lucky ones who had the opportunity to work with you. You have been very kind-hearted to all the people as felt by me. Under your valuable guidance, I was able to contribute my might in breaking the deadlock of restarting the works at Coal Dam, putting Bongaigaon back on track, where 2 units are already commissioned. Sir, on behalf of my family and entire PP&M team, wish you and your family all the best for days to come.
Life is a beautiful struggle. Sometimes it is beautiful, sometimes just a struggle. Make beautiful memories when you can. Sir, जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी बधाई.
Respected Director Project Sir, may God shower good health and prosperity in your life. Many happy returns of the day, sir. We wish you a new journey of success and happiness in the next phase of your life.
मेरा एसोसिएशन विद पांडे साहब गोस बैक टू ईयर 1994 जब मैं रामागुंडम से दादरी ज्वाइन किया था एंड साहब का मार्गदर्शन और गाइडेंस ऑलवेज मेरे साथ रहे जिसके साथ मैं परफॉर्म कर पाए. आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट टू बी एसोसिएटेड विथ हिम इन डिफरेंट रोल्स इन माय करियर एंड एज अ पर्सन इज़ लाइक अ कोकोनट. बाहर से बहुत हार्ड लगते हैं बट इफ़ यू go inside is very soft. On my behalf and my family's behalf, wish him all the best and lot of happiness in the days to come.
Respected sir, my heartfelt wishes on your birthday. On behalf of me and my family, I wish you the most and more birthdays with good health and happy life. Sir, we are admired and inspired by your able and dynamic leadership. Personally, I am proud to be associated with you in my journey of NTPC. NTPC's growth is solely driven by leaders like you, and we are proud that our first CMD, Shri D.V. Kapoor, in his book Bloom in the Desert, mentioned your sincere efforts to the company. You were a tough taskmaster where nothing is impossible. I would especially like to mention about the PSC viaduct, which could not have been possible without your guidance and close monitoring. Thanks, sir, for your kind support and faith in me. Wishing you all the best from the core of my heart.
Sir, wish you a very happy birthday to you. All the very best for your second inning as you are superannuating this month.
My association with Shri Pandey sir, our director project, actively started when he joined as AD PP&M in May 2013. I cherish the memories of director projects, visiting Coal Dam on every Saturday and giving on the spot decisions. For Uchahar project, various decisions were taken under his leadership, which resulted in commissioning of Unit 6 in a record time of 28 months from the date of start of main plant civil works. At Vindhyachal also, under his leadership and guidance, we could declare this unit number 13 commercial in a time frame of 42 months from the investment approval, thereby enabling additional 0.5% return on equity and winning IPMA award in project management. I wish him and his family all the best in the times to come.
Respected sir, we congratulate you on your long association with NTPC. Your professionalism and perseverance shall inspire us to strive for greater excellencies for a long time. Wishing you a good health and fulfilling life ahead. Thank you.
मैं सर्वप्रथम आपको आपके जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं अपने और अपने परिवार की तरफ से. आप हमेशा सुखी, स्वस्थ और दीर्घायु हों और आपका यह कार्यकाल NTPC के इतिहास में स्वर्णाक्षर में हमेशा लिखा जाएगा और आपकी कमी हमेशा इस कंपनी को खलेगी। सर, भविष्य में भी आपका दिशा निर्देश हमें मिलता रहे और हम आपके बताए हुए कदमों में चलकर इस प्रोजेक्ट डिपार्टमेंट का नाम रोशन कर सके, यही हमारी तमन्ना है।
I take this opportunity to convey my heartiest congratulations and best wishes to S.C. Pandey Sahab, Director Projects. It is hard to imagine the functioning of NTPC without the towering personality of Pandey Sahab. He has brought cultural changes in NTPC by bringing in NTPC banning policy and systemized evaluation of vendor performance.
On your birthday, I extend all the best wishes to you and your family. I pray to Almighty God for your good health, long peaceful life and much more success in the years to come. Sir, under your inspiring leadership, NTPC has achieved great laurels in project execution. It's only because of your exemplary vision, dedication and perseverance that more than 10,000 megawatt capacity addition could be achieved in your tenure. Sir, I once again wish you all the very best in your future life.
Perfect, sir. Wish you very happy birthday, sir. And I pray to the God for many, many happy returns of this day. It is no wonder, sir, that under your leadership, which provided foresight and wisdom, we, the Kudgi team, is greatly indebted to you for the support which you have given to us. And we deeply cherish under your leadership, which enabled Kudgi project to take this shape.
Energy in general and electricity in particular is the bloodline of a country. One of the crucial requirements of maintaining the good health of the economy of a nation is ensuring the regular flow of the electrical power in its veins. S.C. Pandey dedicated his whole life to do that. He has been actively involved in the capacity addition of NTPC since its inception. He has made remarkable contributions in NTPC in its great journey from 0 megawatt to becoming a power behemoth of 51,000 plus megawatt installed capacity. He is one of a few persons in NTPC who was there at the crossing of the 50 gigawatt milestone and also when the first 200 megawatt unit of NTPC was commissioned at Singrauli in February 1982.
मैं श्री सुभाष चंद्र पांडे जी के 60वीं जन्मदिन पे उनको बधाई देता हूं और उनके उज्जवल भविष्य और स्वस्थ जीवन की कामना करता हूं। श्री सुभाष चंद्र पांडे जी पावर इंडस्ट्री के वो शख्सियत हैं जिनको अपने कठिन प्रोजेक्ट को लाने में दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ अपने विचारों को रखने और सॉल्यूशन मोड में रहने के लिए पावर इंडस्ट्री के इतिहास में स्वर्णाक्षरों में लिखा जाएगा। मैं तो बस यही कहूँगा उनकी तरफ से, बागवां यह चाहता दिल से चमन को, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं गुलशन तेरा आबाद रहे।
मैं आदरणीय पांडे साहब जी को उनके जन्मदिन पर बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूं और उनके सुखद जीवन के लिए कामना करती हूं कि वो जहां भी रहें अच्छे से रहें, खुश रहें।
नमस्कार सर, सबसे पहले मैं अपने व अपने परिवार की तरफ से आपको जन्मदिन की हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं और ईश्वर से आपके अच्छे स्वस्थ और दीर्घायु की कामना करते हैं। सर, आपके साथ काम करने का, सीखने का जो हमें अवसर मिला, हम उसके लिए हमेशा आपके आभारी रहेंगे। आपकी टेक्निकल नॉलेज और लीडरशिप से एनटीपीसी में आज एक बहुत बड़ी प्रोजेक्ट प्रोफेशनल्स की टीम तैयार हुई है। आप एनटीपीसी को एक सक्षम और मजबूत कंपनी बनाकर जा रहे हैं। हम आपके व आपके परिवार के सुखद भविष्य की कामना करते हैं।
Pandey Sahab has got unparalleled track record in the field of project management as a leadership role. Success and failure are part and parcel of everyday's working life, but the memories of working with an inspirational leader like Pandey Sahab will never go. Pandey Sahab gave us a total project management vision, and the success is a manifestation of the same. We hope that there is nothing but success in Pandey Sahab's all future endeavors.
सबसे पहले मैं आज इस बर्थडे के मौके पे अपनी तरफ से और अपनी फैमिली की तरफ से पांडे साहब को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि लास्ट 4.5 ईयर से मैं साहब के साथ जुड़ा हूँ। साहब के अंदर जो हमने बहुत सारी अच्छाइयाँ देखी, उसमें से साहब का जो एक मैनेजमेंट है वो कंप्लीट मैनेजमेंट है, चाहे वो टेक्निकल फील्ड में हो, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो, या हम टाइम और कॉस्ट की बात करें। और इस माने में साहब ने जो हम लोगों के लिए गाइडेंस दिया है एक अद्भुत है। हम लोग उस रास्ते पे चलेंगे, ऐसा मेरा कमिटमेंट है साहब के लिए।
नमस्कार आदरणीय पांडे साहब को उनके 60वें जन्मदिवस पर ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। हम लोग अनुग्रहित हैं सर कि आपके साथ हम लोगों को काम करने का मौका मिला। ईश्वर आपको दीर्घायु रखे, स्वस्थ रखे।
Sir, you have been a lighthouse guiding us all through the tough times. Your deep knowledge, out of the box thinking and immense leadership qualities have led many of our projects come out of the red and achieve laurels. Sir, we remain indebted to you for the contribution that you have made to the project management field. We wish you a happy birthday.
नमस्कार। पांडे जी के साथ काम करना अपने आप में एक सुखद समय है। इस व्यक्तित्व के धनी के साथ जितनी गहराई के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला, ये अपने आप में एक सौभाग्य की बात है। मैं अपने शुरुआती समय दादरी से लेके अब तक साहब के साथ जुड़ा रहा। साहब के साथ आगे भी ऐसे ही जुड़े रहने की कामना है।
सर, जब भी आपके बारे में कुछ बोलने का मैं सोचता हूँ तो शब्द मेरे पास नहीं होते। आई कैनॉट से एनीथिंग अबाउट यू इन वर्ड्स, आई कैन ओनली हैव ए फीलिंग अबाउट यू। मेरा कैरियर शुरू भी आपके साथ हुआ था और आज इस मौके पर मैं फिर आपके साथ हूँ। आप ही ने मुझे बनाया है सर। एक बहुत ही अच्छा इंसिडेंस मुझे आपके बारे में जो तब भी रेलिवेंट था और आज भी है, मैं ज़रूर शेयर करना चाहूँगा। बात दादरी के समय की है, शुरू में। तो मैं नई शादी हुई थी, मैं मेरी वाइफ को बताया करता था कि हमारे बॉस बहुत सख्त है और बहुत डांटते हैं। तो रोज़ एक इंप्रेशन करते हैं यार बॉस डांटते हैं करके। तो ठीक है, एक दिन हम घूम रहे थे मार्केट में, तो आप भी वहाँ थे। मैं अपनी वाइफ को बताया, देखो ये हमारे बॉस हैं। तो उनकी वाइफ एकदम बोले, अरे कितने स्मार्ट। तो मैं हमने सर ये तो बस डांटते रहते हैं, बट सर रियली आप आज भी उतने ही स्मार्ट हैं और भगवान आपके इसी उसको करिश्मे को बनाए रखे सर। जो आप बना सकते हैं वही और कोई नहीं कर सकता सर, और हम आपको रियली मिस करेंगे। आपको जन्मदिन की हार्दिक बधाई।
नमस्कार सर, wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. I'm sure as you sit back here, you must be very much satisfied with your 40 years of professional life, with your successful completion of 50,000 megawatt plus company. I take this opportunity to wish you a successful, equally successful second life of retirement.
मैं साहब के साथ में करीबन 2-2.5 साल हो गया काम करते हुए, और इतना क्लैरिटी और थॉट्स का क्लैरिटी और डायरेक्शन, क्लियर डायरेक्शन देना मैं आज तक किसी को नहीं देखा हूँ। इनका हर एक रिव्यू में लगभग 50 पॉइंट्स टारगेट्स ही यूज्ड टू सेट, and none of them would contradict one another, and all were realistic. And his loss will be a great loss to our department and NTPC as a whole.
Many happy returns of the day. Wish you very happy birthday. It's a great privilege that we have got opportunity to work under you in your guidance. You have been a source of inspiration for us and will remain so. I wish all the best to you, sir.
सर्वप्रथम मैं परम आदरणीय डायरेक्टर महोदय को जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। माननीय डायरेक्टर महोदय के कुशल नेतृत्व में जो मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला, जो मुझे सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ, उसके लिए मैं अपने आप को बिल्कुल ही धन्य समझता हूं, और ये मेरे लाइफ की एक सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि रही है।
It is very rightly said that tough assignments need tough leaders. Projects like Koldam, Kanti, BRBCL, Bongaigaon, which were considered as also RANs, are now, when you take a bow, sir, are revered for their performance. I wish you and your family all the best.
I wish a very happy birthday to you, sir. True to my heart, your interaction or communication or any review with you is an enriching experience. I wish your invaluable services continue for the times to come for a larger interest of the nation building, and sincerely pray Lord Jagannath to bless you and your family.
Happy birthday to you, sir. Happy birthday to you, sir. Happy birthday.